welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, that way you never miss a future upload. Today's video is a SHEIN curve try-on haul, but geared more toward fall time clothing. So I have lots of sweaters, some cardigans, a jacket, the cutest skirt in the world that would be really cute with some tights, or I mean just as is, honestly. So I'm really excited. If you guys are somewhat new to the channel, just know that I keep all the good stuff down in the description box. I keep my height, my weight, all of my measurements, typically like what size I would wear. So definitely go check down there. I also link everything that I talk about in my videos down in the description box, so check that out. SHEIN did gift me this particular batch of clothing, but I'm not getting paid to talk about it whatsoever. All opinions, of course, are my own. SHEIN also gifted you guys a nice little coupon code. I make no money off of that either. It just saves you guys some coin. So if you use the code NicoleA15, you'll get an extra 15% off. Once again, all the good stuff is down in the description box. I think I have rambled on enough. Let's get into this haul. Oh wait, I did forget to mention that if you are new to SHEIN or you've never shopped SHEIN's website before, every single article of clothing has its own size chart. So one top might have a size chart and another top completely different. So please know your measurements and look at the size chart for each item. I have done that forever and it's never failed me. So definitely make sure to check the size chart for every single item. All right, we're going to start off with some basics. So I picked up a gray t-shirt. It's a nice, like flowy, loose fitting, just regular like gray stretchy shirt. It does have a little bit more of a higher slit on either side. I just love these. I get these from any store whenever I find them because I just love the way that they look and the way that they feel. I picked it up in gray and also in black, so absolutely love these. Both of them I got in a 3X. Next up is this really cool cardigan because it looks like those jackets that are super in style right now with the drawstring, but it's the material of a cardigan and it's a really like good, like thick material, pretty heavy duty. It does have a hood, which is great. And it has these drawstrings at the waist, so it can kind of cinch you in a little bit. Has pockets on both sides, and it's this beautiful like rust orange color. I absolutely love it. And I got this one in a 3X, definitely made of a stretchy material. Next up, I got the cutest jacket. It's this little like, I don't know, it looks like a little moto jacket, but it also kind of looks and reminds me of like a Western type jacket. I think just the color and like the material. It's this like faux suede. It has really pretty like studding going up the arm and around the collar. This is not made of a stretchy material, so definitely make sure you're checking your sizing. It does have a zipper going up the front, and I just think this is absolutely adorable. I picked this up in a 3X. These type of jackets, let me tell you, are my go-to for fall, so absolutely love this. Next up, I got a super ridiculously long trench coat in this really pretty tan color. It has this really long, like, collar detail. I don't know even what to call that, but I just freaking love this jacket. It is so ridiculously long, like I said. It is lined on the inside with black. This is not a stretchy jacket whatsoever because of the lining. I picked this up in a 1X and I think it fits perfectly. The only thing about this jacket that really irks me to no end is that there are no pockets. So if you guys can live with no pockets on your jacket, you are good to go. But I just picture this with like a tight white shirt like I'm wearing now, some yoga pants like I'm wearing now, and Carlos just bought me some Yeezy 350s that I love. And I feel like that's like a trend going on right now. You wear loungewear with one of these trench coats and then some dope kicks. Carlos would love me for saying that, for using that term. Some just cool kicks, some cool shoes, and you are good. Such an easy outfit and you are so comfortable. Okay, then I picked up a couple sweaters, and I'm typically not the biggest sweater fan. Like, I don't like putting sweaters just on my bare skin because I feel like a lot of time they're itchy and just like, I'm always hot. So it's not a good option for me because I can't just take it off and like just have a bra on when I'm out in public. I wish, am I right? So I picked this one up and I was really hoping and praying, and let me tell you, it came through for your girl. It is this beautiful like rusty brown. Once again, can you guys tell I'm obsessed with this color? But it has this super pretty detail going down the arm. Last fall, I got a sweater from Fashion Nova very similar to this, but it was a little bit more like skin tight, and this one is a little bit looser, a little bit more flowy, and I absolutely love that. Super comfortable. You could probably tell, maybe, I don't know, in the try-on portion that you could see my bra strap a little bit, so definitely keep that in mind that you might need to wear some sort of a different bra if you mind, but you can also wear like a bra and then like a black cami or something, so you just see like the cami strap instead of a bra strap. Whatever your preference is. Super stretchy material, and I picked this one up in a 3X. Then the second sweater I got, once again, I was hoping and praying it wasn't going to be like a super itchy material, and it is not. That rust one was for sure a softer material, but this one's still not itchy at all. It is this really pretty deep green, and it has this like striping detail, but it's like made like that. It's not like a design that they put on it. It's just crocheted or knitted like that. Does that make sense? Y'all, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. The sleeves also have that same detailing. The sleeves are a little bit more like billowy and baggy, and I just love it. You guys, the casual fall outfits are coming. I cannot freaking wait. I picked this one up in a 3X, and it is a super stretchy material. You guys are going to make fun of me for this next one, but I saw it on the website and I just had to have it. I have a shirt like this, but I want to say it's too tight. I got it from somewhere. I ordered it online and then I got it and I was like, I wonder who they thought that was gonna fit, because it's not me. But Chaos Coordinator. Whenever I see a good teacher shirt, I have to have it. I really, really do. It just says Chaos Coordinator. It's this blue, like heathery color, and y'all, if this isn't the truth, I don't know what is. All I do for a living is coordinate chaos, but I love it. I wouldn't have it any other way. So I thought that was super cute. I got this in a 3X, and it's just like a regular t-shirt material, so it is stretchy. I picked up a couple dresses that I thought would be nice for fall. The first one is this black one here. It is a faux wrap, like V-neck black dress, and has the prettiest, like somewhat sheer polka dot sleeves with ruffles. It's just so cute. It's the perfect length. It does have this removable tie. I told you guys. SHEIN, it would just not be a SHEIN haul without an item that has one of these ties. But it is removable, so if you don't want to use that, you don't have to. There is a thin piece of elastic in the waist, so it kind of already will cinch you in. You don't really need the tie, but I mean, I kind of like it. I don't know. Such a comfortable dress. It's not a stretchy material at all, and I picked up a 3X, and I think it fit pretty darn well. The next dress I got is so cute. Will you stop it right now? Look at that print. Are you joking me? This is a more like structured dress, not a stretchy material. Has a zipper going up the back, but for me, I didn't need to unzip it to put it on. I just kind of slipped it right over my head and it was fine. I probably could have gotten away with going down one size because I picked this up in a 4X, but it's just, I kind of like it a little bit more flowy. It's just a little bit more casual looking, I feel like. The arms are really, really billowy. So I've had a couple of you guys comment asking for arm measurements, which I don't know if I put it down. I'll put that in the description, like what my arms measure. But this one I feel like would fit any arm. It is definitely like a good size, lots of room, just a roomy dress, and I love it. The length is great. It has this tie here up in the front that's just kind of attached. Just like strings that are attached, but you tie it up into a bow. And overall, I'm a fan. All right, you guys, the next item, this is the second to last item I picked up, is a skirt. It's this corduroy skirt. It has a little bit of stretch to it, not a crazy amount, but it's made of a thinner material than a typical corduroy, which is why I like this. In the try-on portion, I had a full-on happy meltdown. I was so happy and in love with this skirt that I was actually pissed off. I really had to just stop myself because my emotions were just getting the best of me. I went straight through happiness and excitement into pissed off land. It's like, have you guys ever been so happy you're pissed? That was me. I have purchased so many corduroy skirts in my life that it would make your head spin, and none of them have ever worked out. They're either too small or too short, or the material's so thick that it's hard to walk, or when you walk the skirt like rides up. It's just all bad. Oh, and I've had one that the buttons pull so bad that you're like terrified that it's gonna just pop open and you're gonna show the world all your goods. This skirt is actual perfection. It is long enough, it is big enough, it fits me so well, I can move in it and I can give a little karate kick or two. I picked this one up in a 3X and I just cannot freaking wait to style this for fall. Last item is another casual one. It is this black, very lightweight hoodie. I would say it's a little bit thicker than like a t-shirt material. It's a basic with a twist. You guys know I love my basics with a twist because the bottom is lined with lace. I just thought it was kind of cute, a nice little added touch. This would be super cute to throw on with some like yoga pants for just casual like running errands or something. Absolutely love it. Has a drawstring, has a hood. Can't remember if I said that. And I got this in a 3X. You guys, I just love a good cozy sweater. All right, you guys, that was it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely go check SHEIN out for all your fall fashion needs. It is just so amazing, especially for the price. Don't forget to use any coupon codes down there, save you some money, and let me know which one of these outfits or pieces was your favorite. I'm dying to know because I genuinely like all of them. I feel like I'm becoming a pro at picking things out on the SHEIN website. I'm just obsessed. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.